Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Mylene Prado Istuya. I am 32 years old. I am single with one child, age 8-year-old, a girl. I live in Katipunan, Buruanga, Aklan, here in the Philippines. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the youngest child of the family. I am college graduate. I took computer science. I have work experience abroad. First is in Qatar, 2 years, finish contract. Next is in Saudi Arabia, another 2 years, finish contract also. My duties and responsibilities are doing household chores like cleaning big house, marketing, cooking, laundry, ironing, tutoring, and taking care of the children. I love children, and when I'm taking care of the children, I treat them like my child also. I love Pete also. Mom and Sir, I hope you will select me as your helper. I am very hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to do my job well. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.